Hey Prestige, my name is Lee Terbianic and I was doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help your business grow, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video at the end. Let's jump right into it. The 3 major things I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is a huge game changer in the website world. You got to think Google is just a crawling website and all it can do is read. So if you don't have the right amount of content, which is 1,500 words on a homepage, that's the bare minimum it likes to see. That's sort of the sweet spot. It's not going to be able to rank you high enough. So I wanted to see how much content you have on your homepage, and I like your heading, but I would like to see your services. I see you have a home, a before and after, and a contact us, and a teeth whitening. So I would like to switch up this header, maybe get a nice logo creation for you, build out something really nice that represents you, have that up here in this header bar, and then your home, about us, and have a nice section for an about us. And then your services, whether it's hair pigmentation, and then teeth whitening would be in there. Whatever else you offer, they would all be listed in there with their own pages, with their own content and keywords listed throughout the content, which we're going to get into keywords shortly. And then a contact us form, and whatever else you may need, a gallery, we could do a portfolio. But this homepage will be dedicated to 1,500 words about your main services with the keywords. So as we scroll down, you do have some content here. I see scalp micropigmentation, which is kind of a keyword, but we're going to get into those shortly. And all this is considered content. And even your pictures and what they're saved as is considered content too. So I'm scrolling here. I see you have about about 400 words on your homepage. So you're lacking in that department at the moment. So I just did a quick search for scalp micropigmentation Philadelphia, PA. I did Lansdale, and there really wasn't much search volume, so I feel like we could take over Philadelphia with how bad the person that is ranking, which is Hairline Inc., their numbers are, which I'll show you here shortly. But I wanted to see what kind of content Hairline Inc. had. So as you can see, they do have scalp, and with a bunch of pages all about different stuff. Hair link, their locations that they service with, I'm sure they have their keywords listed throughout, costs, testimonials, blogs. This is what nice, get a quote as seen on TV, and then content. So content there, content. The more content, the better in the eyes of Google, because like I said, all it can do is read, and that's what it kind of ranks you according to. The more content is the more information for the buyer. So content. They have about 1,000 words. So if we were to go out and get 1,500 for your homepage of keyword-rich content, you'd easily beat them in that aspect. But let's go back. So as you can see, Philadelphia Scalp Micropigmentation is in first place. And what ranks you in this map pack or GMB listing is a citation. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, and the yellow pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. So the more citation sources you have, the higher chance you're going to get to rank, along with good reviews and pictures being added, updated, replying to reviews, just kind of staying more up to date with your GMB listing. Google really likes to see interaction. So that's the GMB. Now the third thing and most important I want to talk about is this organic section, and this deals directly with your website. And as you can see, Hairline Inc. is in first place. Now I have a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this is going to show me a breakdown of your site and the stats of it. So I can see you have Prestige's MP info. That's not really your typical URL you'd like to have, a .com. Google likes .coms. You don't have any power or trust flow to your website at the moment. You're not ranking for any keywords, which is hurting you, and you're not really getting any traffic. So as we go over to hairlineinc.com, as you can see, they have an 8 and a 43. Now what ranks you in this bottom section is backlinks. So a backlink is when one website links back to your website. It's giving you power basically from their website. It's like if Google sees it as if one website is willing to transfer their viewers to your website, via a link, that must mean you're trustworthy. So the more links you have pointing back to you, the more powerful, the more votes you have, the higher you'll rank. So let's go back here. So we know they're in first place. They have 3,000 backlinks coming from 1,000 referring domains, but only 879 of those links are transferring any power. The good part about this tool is we can go into their do follow links, and all of them are listed right here for me to go in and submit for you. Plus, I have access to very powerful link juice, which will boost your numbers right here up in a heartbeat just by adding them. So we will talk about that. But now let's go back to the overview and let's touch base on these keywords so we can see what people are actually typing in each and every month when they're looking for your service. So I'm going to go to the path so we can find the exact location for this person. And as you can see, they're ranking for 12 keywords in this Philadelphia area. So scalp micropigmentation Philadelphia. This is a volume of 40. Now this is a monthly figure. So that means 40 people. This is a minimum number too. This could be 80 or 100. 40 people are typing scalp micropigmentation Philadelphia each and every month, and it has a low KD of 0. That means there's not many people trying to battle for this keyword. He's in the first position, so he's getting 14 clients just from that keyword alone. Micropigmentation Philly, 10 searches. Micropigmentation hair near me, 150 searches a month. Hair loss specialist, 50, 60 searches a month for that. Microblading in Philadelphia, I don't know if you offer that, but 40. So there's a lot for microblading. Scalp micropigmentation, another 40. Micropigmentation, another 10. Best micro hair restoration, 100 searches a month. So that's possible searches that if you were ranking in this top spot right here, they would be clicking on your website, seeing what you're offering. And if we had your website built out with a nice form, a lot of information, a nice form submit up in this header, they'd have an easy access to you, and boom, you're going to be landing clients left and right, and you're going to start getting some traffic to your website and getting some numbers like this. So let's go and see their value and their traffics for their actual domain name. Hold on. So their whole business is getting roughly 11,000 traffic to it, 20,000 in traffic value a month. That's monthly. So I'd love to help you out with this and touch base more on getting your website lined out and getting the correct content with keywords throughout it. Here's an example of that. Here's a nice website we did for a plumber. But here's keywords and content. Woodland Hills plumber. That's a search term people are typing. We have it in a heading, an H1 heading. And then we have it throughout the content. Woodland Hills plumber. Woodland Hills plumbers with the S. Plumber Woodland Hills. All variations so you get. Because you never know how people will type it. They might type it this way or that way. But as long as we have all of the options, Google will link to you. Plumber in Woodland Hills. So with the in. Plumber Woodland Hills CA. So beautiful website. Everything you need to convert into actual clients, and I'd love to help you out. Give me a call back and I'd love to chat with you, and we could start showcasing this website and get you some real business. Thank you for watching, and I hope to hear back from you. My name is Lee. My phone number is 570-240-5257.